Today we are going to learn some MCQ question of environmental study having the course code 22447. The course outcome of this topic, that is to develop a public awareness about the environments. Now let's start the few questions regarding the environmental study. The first question, that is, which of these causes the sea level changes over the floodings due to the process of melting of snow? As you know, this is a causes due to the global warmings. Due to the global warming, temperature of our earth goes on increases, so the melting of snow takes place. The second question, which of these them can be recycled? There are following four options are there: paper, plastic, metals. All are yes, we can be recycled. That's why the fourth option is correct, that is all of these. Next question, third, that is recycle of plastic can also minimize the air pollutions. As you know, the air pollution is takes place due to the burning of the plastics. That's why the option A is correct, that is yes. Next questions, recycling is the best process to control the pollutions. Yes, by the recycling is one of the process or concept of the 4R concepts, and that helps to control the pollution. That's why option A is correct, that is true is there. Next, fifth question, O3 is also known as known as O3 is that is known as ozone. O2 is the oxygens, and O is that is oxygen atoms, and is a three oxygen atoms and combines to form the ozone. This one is the second option is there. Ozone get ruptures by the reaction of NOx. Here is an nitrous oxide is there. X is that is 1, 2, 3. That is what that is a number. With when this NOx when is react with the sunlight, that is ultraviolet radiations. Yes, it undergo the radical reactions, and that's rupture the ozone gas. That's why option is a sunlight. Third World War have an impact on lithosphere, that is related to the land, hydrosphere related to the water, biosphere, that is all living things. That's why the fourth option is the correct, means there is third world wars that have impact on all these things. The environment consists of, as you know, the according to the definition, environment consists of the one of the important parts known as lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. Means the last option is correct. Lithosphere, hydrosphere, biospheres, and atmosphere forms a that is called as a environment. Atomic oxygen react with dash dash to give the acyl radicals. The acyl radical is formed by yes hydrocarbons when it is react with the atomic oxygens. That's why the first option is correct. Next question, the environment consists of the various segments such as the atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and last one is that is very important sphere, that is called as a biosphere. This biosphere that is directly and indirectly linked with the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithospheres. Next, 12th question, the dash dash is the protective blanket of the gases which is surrounding the earth. It protects the earth from the hostile, that is environment of outer sphere, that is called as a atmospheres. Yes, the atmosphere that is a blanket of gases. Next question, dash dash of the total water supply is available as fresh water in the form of river, lake, stream, groundwater for the human consumption and other use, that is about the 1%. As you know that there is a 97% of water that is available in the sea, and 2% in the form of the ice cap, and only 1% as a fresh waters. That's why first option is a correct option is there. The lithosphere consists of the upper mantles and the crust. These are the two important parts of the lithospheres. One is a upper part and the second one is a crust is there. 15th, atmosphere allow the transmission of the significant amount of radiation only in the region of, that is very important questions. In this case there is 100 to 200 nanometer and 200 to 500 nanometer. It is regarding the ultraviolet and visible radiation is there. Yes, that's why the most of this answer is that is to be the 85. Thank you.